So in this video, we discuss about arithmetic progression. We discuss about arithmetic progression. So for example, we have the given progression, the given progression a, a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, and so on, a plus n minus 1 into d. For example, it is the given progression. In this progression, it is nothing but first term. A is the first term T1. So it is the second term. It is second term T2. So it is a third term. It is the third term T3. So it is the fourth term. It is the fourth term T4. So it is the nth term. It is the nth term represented by Tn. So therefore it is the given progression. In this progression, it is the first term, it is the second term, it is the third term, it is the fourth term, and it is the nth term. So first of all, I'm doing T2 minus T1. So that means second term minus first term. Okay, second term value minus first term value. So T2 value a plus d, T2 value second term a plus d minus first term. So first term T1, that is a. So first term equal to a. So a cancels. Therefore, we got T2 minus T1 equal to d. T2 minus T1 equal to d. In the same way, next I want to find T3 minus T2. So T3, that means the value of the third term minus T2 means the value of second term. So here, what is the third term value? See, so third term a plus 2d. So third term value a plus 2d minus second term. So what is the second term value? We have a plus d. Second term, we have a plus d. So in this equation, a cancels. Now we have 2d, it is minus d. So 2d minus d, that is equal to d. So it is the value of T3 minus T2. That means third term minus second term. In the same way, if let us find out if T4 minus T3, this value I want to find. T4, that means the value of fourth term minus T3 means the value of the third term. This is subtraction we have to find out. Okay, fourth term value minus third term value. This subtraction we have to find out. So what is the fourth term here? Fourth term a plus 3d. So fourth term we have a plus 3d minus, and what is the third term? We have a plus 2d. So here a minus a cancels. After cancellation, 3d minus 2d. Therefore, T4 minus T3 equal to d. So that means, what is the meaning of arithmetic progression? What is the meaning of arithmetic progression? See here, the two successive terms difference. The two successive terms difference is equal to d. Same thing. The two successive terms difference is equal to d. The two successive terms difference is equal to d. That means, so what is the meaning of arithmetic progression? You take any two successive terms. or any two successive terms or any two successive terms if difference is the same. So any two successive terms difference is the same, that is the arithmetic progression. Okay, so what is the meaning of arithmetic progression? If any two successive terms, if any two successive terms difference is the same, any two successive terms difference is same, that is in arithmetic progression, that is in arithmetic progression. So it is a basic meaning of AP, arithmetic progression. So you take any two successive terms or these two successive terms or these two successive terms, any two successive terms difference is the same, that is the arithmetic progression. Okay, so now what is the arithmetic progression? We have a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, and so on, a plus n minus 1 into t. So it is in the form of arithmetic progression. Okay, this is in the form of arithmetic progression. A means first term. A means first term. A plus n minus 1 into d. It is the nth term. It is the nth term. A plus n minus 1 into d is the nth term. Therefore, in arithmetic progression, so how to find nth term in arithmetic progression? So how to find nth term? Tn equal to nth term formula, that is a plus n minus 1 into d. So in arithmetic progression, finding nth term, so that is a plus n minus 1 into d. So in this equation, a means first term. In this equation, a means first term and d means difference. D means difference. So how to find difference? Okay, so in AP, so how to find nth term? Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A means first term in arithmetic progression, d means difference. But how to find a difference in AP? So in AP, so how to find d means difference? So difference can be find out by using second term t2 minus first term t1, first term t1. So how to find difference? Second term minus first term. So by using this equation, we can find out d value. Okay, so what is the basic meaning of arithmetic progression? The basic meaning of arithmetic progression: if any two successive terms difference is the same, any two successive terms difference is the same, that is in the form of AP, arithmetic progression. So this is in the form of AP. It is in the form of AP because the difference is the same. So second term minus first term difference, third term minus second term difference, or fourth term minus third term difference, the difference is the same. That means it is in the form of AP, arithmetic progression. In this progression, it is the first term, it is the second term, it is the third term, it is the nth term. This nth term formula is very, very important. Therefore, in AP, nth term equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So a means the first term and d means difference. So how to find difference? So t2 minus t1. So in AP, how to find difference? T2 minus T1. That means second term minus first term. Okay. So next, in AP, so how to find sum of n number of terms in AP. So how to find sum of n number of terms? So we are finding summation of n number of terms in AP. So what is the AP we have? Now this is the progression. So this is the progression. So it is the arithmetic progression. So in this arithmetic progression, we have to find the whole summation. We have to find the whole summation. That means, so a plus d plus a plus 2d plus a plus 3d plus and so on a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so in AP, this summation we have to find out. In AP, this summation we have to find out. So it is the first term. So it is the second term. It is the third term. And it is the nth term. It is the nth term. So we are finding the summation of n number of terms. The formula is n by 2 into first term plus nth term. First term plus nth term. Now this is the formula to find summation in arithmetic progression. Okay, summation of n number of terms. Summation of n number of terms in arithmetic progression. The formula is n by 2 into n means the number of terms. The number of terms n by 2 into first term plus nth term. Now this is the formula we have to find sum of n number of terms. Okay, now see the question. First question, 4 plus 8 plus 12 plus 16 plus and so on plus 64. This summation we have to find out. Okay, so first of all, we have to check the given equation in arithmetic progression or not. The given equation in arithmetic progression or not. First, we have to verify. For verify, you do T2 minus T1, this difference. T2 minus T1, the difference is equal to 4. Next, T3 minus T2. So third term minus second term, this difference is equal to 4. Next, T4 minus T3. Fourth term minus third term, this difference is equal to 4. So if we have difference is the same, so we can say that the given progression is in the form of arithmetic progression. So here this difference equal to 4, this difference equal to 4, this difference equal to 4. So difference is the same. That means it is in the form of arithmetic progression. Okay, so we have to find this summation. Okay, so what is a given arithmetic progression? 4 plus 8 plus 12 plus 16 plus and so on plus 64. So it is the given arithmetic progression. So it is nothing but the first term. It is the first term and 64 is the nth term. 64 is the nth term. So what is the difference we got it? Difference is equal to 4. Difference equal to 4. Okay, so the given progression is in the form of AP. It is a first term and this is the nth term. Difference is equal to 4. First of all, in AP, so how to find nth term? What is the nth term formula? We have a plus n minus 1 into d. In AP, nth term formula a plus n minus 1 into d. So in this question, what is the nth term we have? 64. Okay, so we have nth term is a 64 in this equation. Nth term is a 64 equal to a means first term. A means first term, that is equal to 4 plus n minus 1 into d. So d value 4. D value 4. Therefore, it is 64 minus 4. 64 minus 4 equal to n minus 1 into 4. So 64 minus 4 means 60 equal to n minus 1 into 4. So here 4 15 times cancels. 4 15 times cancels. We get 15 is equal to n minus 1. That implies by simplifying we get n is equal to 16. By simplifying we get n is equal to 16. But the question is we have to find a summation. We have to find a summation of n number of terms. In AP, we have to find summation of n number of terms. So what is the formula we have in AP? Summation of n number of terms. The formula is n by 2 into first term plus nth term. In AP, finding summation of n number of terms, that is n by 2 into first term plus nth term. So what is the n value? We have already 16. So it is 16 by 2. Then after, so in the given progression, what is the first term? In the given progression, so the first term equal to 4. So the first term equal to 4 plus, so nth term. So what is the nth term? We have 64. Okay, first term 4 and nth term 64. That implies, so it is 8. So 2 8 times cancels. So 8 into, so 4 plus 64. So 4 plus 64, that is a 68. So 8 into 68, you multiply, we get 544. So it is the summation of given arithmetic progression. Okay, so the total summation is equal to, we have 544. See the next question. So in the next question, 50 tuning forks, 50 tuning forks are arranged. 50 tuning forks are arranged according to their frequencies, in increasing order, in increasing order is given as 250 hertz, 256 hertz, 262 hertz, so and so on. So total 50 tuning forks. 50 tuning forks are arranged. So they are arranged in increasing order according to the frequencies. So it is frequency of the first tuning fork, frequency of second tuning fork, it is the frequency of third tuning fork. In that way, totally we have 50 tuning forks are given. So find first question, frequency of 26th tuning fork. So we have to find frequency of 26th tuning fork. In the same way, we have to find frequency of 50th. Okay, that means last tuning fork. Frequency of 50th tuning fork. So these two questions we have to find out. Okay, so see the question. In the question, what is the given order? So frequency of first tuning fork, so 250 hertz. Frequency of second tuning fork, 250 hertz. Frequency of third tuning fork, 262 hertz, in that way. So totally 50 tuning fork are given. Totally 50 tuning fork are given. So you do this subtraction, second term minus first term, second term minus first term, this subtraction is equal to 6. Then after you do this subtraction, third term minus second term, third term minus second term, 262 minus 256, difference is equal to 6. If difference is the same, if difference is the same, that is arithmetic progression. If difference is the same, that is arithmetic progression. So therefore it is in the form of arithmetic progression. Okay, so in this arithmetic progression, what is the difference value we got it? The difference is equal to 6. Difference equal to 6. Now see the first question. First question, we are finding frequency of 26th. We are finding frequency of 26th tuning fork. That means it is n value. N value is given 26. N value is given 26. Listen, in AP, so how to find nth term? How to find nth term? The formula is a plus n minus 1 into d. So in AP, finding nth term, a plus n minus 1 into d. That means, so here we are finding frequency of 26th tuning fork. Okay, we are finding frequency of 26th tuning fork. Okay, a means first term. A means first term. So that means frequency of first tuning fork. A means first term value, that is a frequency of first tuning fork, plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so in the given question, what is the frequency of first tuning fork? Frequency of first tuning fork is given 250 plus, so what is the n value here? N is given 26. So this n value 26 minus 1, and what is the d value? We have already d value 6. So d value 6, that implies 250 plus 26 minus 1 means 25 into 6, that is equal to 250 plus 25 into 6, that is 150. So 250 plus 150, we get 400 hertz. So it is the frequency of 26th tuning fork. So in the same way, so what is the second question? So let us simplify second question. So second question is, we have to find the frequency of 50th tuning fork. Second question, we have to find frequency of 50th tuning fork. Same, we have to follow AP formula. Okay, now see second question. Second question, we are finding frequency of 50th tuning fork. We are finding frequency of 50th tuning fork. So it is equal to n value. So n is given 50. So we know the formula already in AP. So how to find nth term? That is a plus n minus 1 into d. So we are finding frequency of 50th tuning fork. Okay, so it is the nth term, means we are finding frequency of 50th tuning fork. A means first term in AP. A means first term in AP, that is nothing but frequency of first tuning fork plus n minus 1 into d. So in this equation, what is the frequency of first tuning fork in the question is given 250. frequency of first tuning fork to 250 plus n value is given, n value 50. See, we have n value is given 50. So n value 50 minus 1, and what is the d value? We have 6. Yes, see the d value. So d value is equal to 6. In this question, d value equal to 6. So simplify. Therefore, it is nothing but 250 plus 50 minus 1, so 49 into 6. Okay, so 250 plus, so we have 49 into 6, so the value becomes 294. Therefore 250 plus 294, so we get 554. 554 Hz. So it is the frequency of 50th tuning fork. Okay, so it is about arithmetic progression. Thank you.